the name range. Head to the Home tab, click Fill, and choose Flash Fill. Watch as Excel effortlessly extracts all names from the raw string column. Next, for the department column, type in the first department, as mentioned here, finance. Drag your cursor over the department range. When an icon appears in the bottom right corner, click it and select Flash Fill. See how Excel fills in the department details automatically. Moving on to salaries, enter the first amount, which here is 16,000. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V to activate Flash Fill, and Excel will swiftly populate all the salary details for you.